How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troy's here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make keto fried chicken from scratch. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. This video was suggested by one of my longtime subscribers, Cullum Jess Islip. Thank you so much, Cullum Jess, for your video recommendation. This is for you and everyone else around the world. And if you have a video suggestion, please leave it in the comment section down below. And if it's a good idea for a video, I'll make a video on it. And I'll give you a credit right in that video. So keto fried chicken, I can't wait to show you guys how to do this. All right, here we go. All right, we're gonna start off with 2 beaten eggs and a half a bag of pork rinds. We're gonna mash up the pork rinds. You can also blend it in a blender. Now we're going to add some seasoning. 1 teaspoon of onion and garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of white pepper, about a teaspoon of cracked black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and blend until combined. And mix until combined. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of arrowroot starch to the breading. Now we have our chicken. We're using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So after dipping the chicken into the eggs, you dip it into the breading and fully coat them on each side. And continue the process for every piece of chicken. All right, all the chicken is covered. Now to get out the air fryer. I'm using about a tablespoon of walnut oil. I'm just going to lightly brush the racks here with walnut oil. You could use any oil of your choice. I wouldn't recommend using olive oil because olive oil doesn't have a high smoking point. And place the chicken onto the racks. I also put in some regular chicken thighs without the breading. We're going to set the air fryer at 450 degrees for 35 minutes. All right, 35 minutes have elapsed. And look at this chicken. Looks crispy and crunchy. Now for a taste test. Keto fried chicken. All right, now for a taste test. Man, that is delicious. Absolutely incredible. This tastes just as good, if not better, than KFC, Popeyes, without the breading of the carbs. And this breading tastes just like it. As always, you want to pair it with something. Have some sugar-free ketchup, and you can put hot sauce as well. Now I don't have to go to KFC and Popeyes anymore. This is legit, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troy signing out.